Hey guys, Carbeans here, back with round 2 of a 2-box break of Topps Chrome football. If you didn't see the first video of these breaks, go back and watch it. I hit a Christian Ponder on-card auto of the, I believe the rookie superlatives, and also hit on-card auto of Cam Newton, as well as there was a DeMarco Murray variation and a Julio Jones gold refractor. So pretty damn good 2 boxes there. I don't think these can compare, but we'll see. There's Cam Newton right off the bat, the base, and Marcel Darius. It's actually been a pretty good case for Cam Newton. That's the 4th base Cam Newton I've gotten out of this case. Troy Polamalu for the Atomic. Jake Locker, freshman. I wonder if we're going to see him play. Refractor of Alex Green. Jake Locker, that is. Since the Titans are struggling the way they are. Superlative die cut of Julio Jones. Taiwan Jones rookie recognition. No refractors, just base. Sweet Von Miller. Cecil Shorts, no refractor. Refractor of Cedric Benson. Jamie Harper refractor. Titus Young rookie recognition. DeLon Carter, the finest freshman. And no refractor, just base. No refractor, just base. Get this out of the way. Ryan Mallett, no refractor, but the Steven Johnson's a refractor. Or Steve Johnson, not Steven. Von Miller, freshman. He's having a really good year. His rookie year as a linebacker. Julio Jones. That's just his regular pose, not his, is that a refractor? Yeah, Julio Jones refractor. That's not his, alternate. Gold, oh no, it's Andy Dalton, just regular Bowman. Sepia of Ahmad Bradshaw. Andy Dalton, regular. Austin Pettis on card auto. Nothing to write home about really, until he starts playing really. Larry Fitzgerald, refractor. Refractor of Christian Ballard. Michaela Shore, Bowman Chrome. Black, Brandon Marshall. And Jordan Todman. But the Gonzalez is a refractor. Alright, let's move to box 2. Move this base out the way. It hits over here. Refractor of Kenny Britt. Oh, guys. Cam Newton on-card auto of the Bowman Chrome. Man, that's pretty. It's not numbered, but I don't care. Beautiful. Alright, let's see. I should sleeve that right away. It's even nicer than the other one. Get something, a little fleck of something on there. Awesome. Y'all saw it first. 2 Cam Newton autos within 3 boxes of each other. Yeah, this case was redeeming. My first 2 cases really weren't that great. The best hit I had out of my first 2 cases was a Christian Ponder. Bowman Chrome like that. Auto. I think these are refractors too. Yeah, they're refractors. It's hard to tell, but they are. Dallas Clark Atomic. Another Cam Newton. That's the 5th one out of this box. And refractor of Lee Smith. Ryan Mallett recognition. Just base. Refractor of Randy Moss in a Titans uniform. Maybe his last card. DeLon Carter, the finest freshman. DeMarco Murray, that's the regular pose, not the limited. That'd be crazy if I got that in the same box. Refractor of Denarius Moore for the Raiders. Packs out the way. Kyle Rudolph Bowman. Nate Solder. Looks like. Christian Ponder, Bowman Chrome. People like that card. That sells just that card right there. People seem to like it. I'm really anxious to see him play too. This Sunday. They're playing Carolina, so 2 rookie quarterbacks going at it. Cam Newton's pretty much already established himself. Javad Best, Sepia. No, refractor, Maurice Jones-Drew. Greg Little, finest freshman. Kyle Rudolph, superlative die cut. There's a refractor. Jeremy Curley. Julio Jones recognition. It's a nice card. That's pretty. Just I like the blue refractors. Darrell Scott to 199. It's number 30. And last pack for this box in this video. LaDainian Tomlinson refractor. Alright guys, you know the drill. Everything will be on eBay eventually. Those Cam Newtons will be up quickly. Hit me up if you need anything. As I always said, pick 'em lots are going to be fast and furious with this stuff. I've got tons of it. And next video coming up. Later.